Peace be upon you and may Allah's mercy and blessings be upon you. Hope you are well. The purpose of this channel is to understand statistics from every aspect. There is an excellent series of questions and answers, which will make it easier to understand the topic of statistics. So I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start today's video. Question 4. What are different types of investigations? Answer. There are two types of investigations, namely: Number 1. Investigation through census method. Number 2. Investigation through sample methods. Now we read both of them in more detail. Question 5. What does census method imply? Answer. Census method means to include each and every unit or object of the population under reference for inquiry or observation. For example, to know the national income, we have to include every individual or unit which contributes towards the national income. Question 6. What is meant by investigation through sample method? Answer. In sample method, an investigator has to select some units from the population about which conclusions have to be drawn and take observations on the selected units. The result obtained from sample values are applicable to the population as a whole. For instance, to know the average age at marriage, an investigator selects an adequate number of married couples and arrive at an average age of marriage which is considered to be the average age of marriage for the whole population. Question. Mention main divisions of statistics. Answer. Following are the main divisions of statistics. Number 1. Mathematical or theoretical statistics. It covers development of statistical distributions, experimental designs, sampling designs, etc. Number 2. Statistical methods or functions. It covers collection, tabulation, analysis and interpretation of data, etc. Number 3. Descriptive statistics. Classification and diagrammatic representation of data. Number 4. Inferential statistics. To draw a conclusion about population on the basis of sample drawn from it. Number 5. Applied statistics. It mainly covers population, census, national income, production, business statistics, industrial statistics, quality control, biostatistics, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.